Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Caesar chicken and baby potatoes in a Ninja Combi. Alright, I'm starting out in a bowl. I'm going to add in a cup of Caesar dressing. This is a 2-cup container, so I'm going to add about half of it. I'm just eyeballing it, guys. And I'm going to add in a half a cup of sour cream. This is a 1-cup container, so we'll add in half of that. And I'm just going to mix this together well and set it aside for now. Alright, now in the Ninja Combi pan that came with it, I have 5 boneless skinless chicken breast. I'm going to take that dressing sour cream mixture we put together a little while ago, and I'm going to smear this down over the chicken. Get it all nice and coated. Alright, now that I have all of my dressing down over the chicken, I'm just going to even it out on there. And guys, this is smelling delicious already. Imagine when it's done cooking. The last little bit on there. Alright, put this in the sink. Now I'm going to take some grated Parmesan cheese, stuff in the container, and sprinkle it over the chicken. And I'm going to load this into the Combi. I'll show you after I get them both loaded in there how it looks. Okay, now in the top tray that came with the Ninja Combi, I have in a Ziploc bag here some baby potatoes and some onions I diced up. I put in some vegetable oil, and I put in some salt, pepper, fresh garlic, and some Italian seasoning. I let this sit for a little while. I'm going to put them out on the tray. And guys, what the Ninja Combi is, it's pretty much the Ninja Speedy, but a larger version in an oven version. And what it's designed to do is designed to make bigger meals, because the Speedy's nice, but when you're cooking for a crowd, sometimes it's hard to cook enough, where this gives you the capacity. So I'm going to go ahead and load my potatoes into the Combi on the top shelf. Alright, now that I have everything all loaded in there, I'm going to close my door, and I'm going to take my switch and switch it from air fry to Combi cooker. Alright, I'm going to turn my Combi on, and I'm on Combi cooker, Combi meals, up to where I want to be at 390. That's the temperature. I'm going to set my time for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll check the potatoes for tenderness and the chicken to make sure it's at 165. Alright, I wound up giving this an additional 3 more minutes to get the potatoes tender. See how nice and golden brown they are. They're done. I'm going to pull them out just for now, because you see my chicken, it's done, but I want to get a little golden brown. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close my door back up. I'm going to switch this over to the air fry setting. It's on air fry at 390. I'm going to set my time for, we'll do 10 minutes. I don't think it's going to take that long. And this is optional, but I want my chicken to have a little bit of golden brown on. So I'm going to allow it at the air fry for a minute to brown that chicken up. Alright, let this go for 5 minutes. You can see my chicken's nice and golden brown. This is ready to go, guys. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright, let me try this, guys. I'm going to start with the potatoes. See how nice and golden brown they are. They're tender. Well seasoned, garlicky, buttery, really delicious. Even though there's no butter in there, they have a nice flavor. Alright, let me try a piece of this chicken. That chicken's delicious, guys. It's moist, tender, creamy. That's Caesar and sour cream and Parmesan cheese. Really delicious. Guys, that's really delicious. It was really easy, a 1 oven meal. Caesar chicken and baby potatoes in the Ninja Combi. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and Happy New Year's, everybody.